I'm going to be creating a $10 billion app. Recently, the guys that are operating this app, they received $1.6 million, right? $1.6 million, which is about 10 billion naira funding on this their app. Oh my goodness, who is with me? Who is with me right now? What are we talking about right now? What are we talking about? Oh my god, oh my god. No, one shot. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you something remarkably good. As a matter of fact, this is going to be one of the best videos that I make concerning how to create a digital product using AI. Now, the type of digital product we are going to be creating today is going to be an app, right? A mobile application. That's what we are going to be creating, an app that you can literally use. This is particularly very interesting. Now, I want to recreate an app. This app, recently, the guys that are operating this app, they received $1.6 million, right? $1.6 million, which is about 10 billion naira funding on this their app, right? So what it simply means that today I'm going to be creating a $10 billion app using AI for you right here. This app that I'm going to be creating is called Swift Money Business. You can go and check the app out. It's an app that allows you to be able to manage your finance, right? It's for small business owners to be able to manage your finance efficiently, and it's all-in-one app that allows you to have a digital wallet to help you to make transfer payments and all that. You can see more information about the app. The goal here is to help business owners receive payments. From there, they can also send money to their suppliers, to their merchants, to their partners in just a matter of seconds, right? At the same time, this app allows you to create an account within few minutes, enabling you to start managing your finances. That is all about the app. There are a lot of features to the app, but my goal here is to show you how you can literally create your own app. If you have been thinking about how do I create an app, how do I create a software that can start making money, this is a $10 billion app. No, a 10 billion naira app. So we are not joking here. For people to fund this application that is an AI bookkeeping, invoice and cash flow app, then you know it's not a joke. People are really cashing out, right? So if you can create something like this, people like it, they can buy it from you. You might not be able to sell it for this amount of money or get investors to invest this amount of money, but you can get $10,000. You can get $100K. You can have an app that will start making money selling your digital products and other type of product that you might want to sell on the internet. That is why I want you to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. This is mind-blowing. The good part is that everything we're going to be doing here today is going to be free. We're going to be using free tools to create this particular app from beginning to the end, and I will recreate this thing before your very eyes. So let's look at the first thing. Now, when you want to create a mobile app, the first thing you want to look at the features that you want to have in an app or a SaaS, whatever, whether it's a web app or a mobile app. You want to look at the features. Now, the features of this app here is a financial app. So basically, you'll be able to have an account. You can transfer money with the account, right? You'll be able to have a customer make payment. You have receipt for the payment invoice. You also you manage the invoice. You have digital wallet. You have credit access. You have saving, digitalization. You have loan disbursement and tracking system. So the app has a lot of features. No wonder this guy received huge amount of money for this. So now, to create this type of app, what do you do? First and foremost, if you want to create any app, you want to use AI tools to create an app, you must first have a plan of the features that you want the app to have. And for us to have that plan, the first thing we want to do, we want to head on to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT know what we are trying to do and all of our plans, so that we can create a roadmap of creating this thing. Then we can now move to the next tool that we will now use. Because the big issue, most times people just want to create an app, you just run and just go and start creating an app without having a plan. You will use your token and everything will be expired without you doing anything. So first and foremost, let's go to our tool. The tool we are going to be using to create this app today is Replit. This is one of the best tools, especially for what we're about to do now. It's called an MVP, minimum viable product. We want to create an MVP. So this is the tool we are going to be using for the creation. So if you've not signed up, you can just follow along. Click on the sign up button here to bring you here. You go, I will sign up. Even me too, I'm signing up for the first time on this particular account so that you can follow along step by step and turn yourself into a mobile or web app developer, because right now, if you don't know how to code, this is your best chance of creating anything that you ever wish or that you've ever dreamt of, and it is possible with this Replit app. So now we are on this app. The first thing we want to do, okay, they ask us to put in our information, so let's just give them some details. Henry, so we fill in your information here. Here you say you want to use for personal use, and just go next, and you click select the free version of it. You are not doing anything, you don't have to pay right now, just a free version. So you will see the next thing here, you will see continue until credit runs out, right? So now if you click start creating, it will give you this interface, right, where you can now put your prompts. Now this is where we now tell this AI Replit app what we want to create. Just like you use ChatGPT, you even see some examples here of what you can do. My advice is this: don't just go here and just start typing create me an app. That is the biggest mistake you make. Even if you are using the free version or you are using the paid, you will waste a lot of tokens. So we will step back a little bit, right? We will step back one step backward. When we are stepping back, what do? We will first head to the ChatGPT, right? Let's open ChatGPT here. Now it's always good to use ChatGPT when you want to plan. ChatGPT is very good when it comes to planning. Let's open a new interface in ChatGPT to plan our app. So now that we are on ChatGPT, we want to give ChatGPT the context of what we're about to do and what we are trying to create. You want to think logically. Now listen, anybody can do this. Although I have a development background, first of all, I'm a web and mobile app developer even before I started going into entrepreneurship and marketing. But like, I've not been doing that for quite some time, like for years. I just recently pick it up again because of this AI. So we are just in this together, right? If you're a business person, we are both business people trying to solve problem right now as entrepreneurs. So let's go. Now the first thing is we want to go and look at the features of our app. What features do we want the app to have? Let's go back to this. So the first thing I will do is I will just copy the features, right? And say, and just come to me and I want to create a web app similar to Swift Money Business, and here are the features of the app, right? I just paste the features of the app. One step, once you do like this, see what you do. You ask ChatGPT, do you understand what I want for this app? This is very crucial, because when you're using this AI, you want to be sure that they know exactly what you are trying to do. You want to be sure they understand you and everything that you're trying to do with the app. So let's see what ChatGPT is giving us. Okay, ChatGPT is giving us two interface for us to choose which one we want. The first one says, I understand what you want to create a web app similar to Swift Money Business, tailored for SME, focus on efficiency management and digital tools. Here are the breakdown. Good. Business accounts, money transfer, all the features are listed here. Exactly what we want. This one too give us the same thing, savings account. So I will just good. I will go with this. This is more elaborate. So now ChatGPT give us all the features that we want. That is step number one. Step number two, I will say ChatGPT, please turn these features into a prompt. I can use to give an AI IDE or AI coding tool like Replit to create me a fully functional MVP that I can show my investors, right? And this is what we'll do. So ChatGPT will go to work again, right, and create a prompt for us. And based on the prompt, we can see how ChatGPT is giving us prompt. Create a fully functional MVP web application for SMEs that incorporate the following features. The app should have the following designs. The app should have a responsive design, user interface, secure backend functionality, use modern stack, React, front end, Node.js, backend, MongoDB, blah blah blah. Good. And the features include, all the features are here, all the features for the app are here. This is the prompt that we're going to use, right? Good. Now, final thing that we'll do on ChatGPT is, please now break each features of this app into a comprehensive prompt I can give Replit AI to create them step by step. Break it down into 7 prompts I can give Replit AI. Boom. So now why I'm taking this step is that, you see, we only have up to 10 for the free account of Replit AI. We only have up to 10 times to prompt this AI for the AI to create this complete app. this MVP app. So now the first time you give the app the complete thing you want, then the app will start creating. Then you now start giving the app each individual features for it to be working on the individual features one after the other. So now by that time we'll have up to 8 prompts. By the time we give this stuff 8 prompts, we should be done with MVP. Have this app functioning very well. So now we have this prompt broken down into 7 logical prompts, right? Following this prompt, we can gradually build integrated features into the fully functional MVP adjustment. Boom, now we are good to go. We are done with this. So let's go back to our Replit AI for us to start. The first thing we'll do now, we'll first copy our major prompt. This is the foundation prompt. This is the prompt that tells the app what we are doing. Boom. So man, this app is going to be dope. This is going to be dope app. Telling you from what I'm seeing, this prompt is already hot. So now we are here, we just enter our prompt. Now I forgot to add one thing. I'll say please use demo data all through in the development of the app. Okay, let's go. Boom. Now we have our app, we have the tool on the go. Replit is on the move right now, creating this app for us. Boom, 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 boom. This is how these guys are creating this particular app. This is how these guys are creating app. This is how programmers make money right now. This is the new way to program. This is the way to start to create app. All you need to have is a business mindset, a little faith that allow you to believe that whatever thing you put your hands to do, it will work, and determination never to give up despite whatever challenges that will come your way. That is all you need, right? That's all you need. See what this app is doing. See what is happening right now. Business Finance Hub. See what is happening. Now it's asking us what we want. Comprehensive fintech application, initial planning, approval, visual. Yes, let's go. I approve. Let's move. Boom. The app is running. This thing is running, creating all the code we need, putting together all the various components. Now it's at visual preview where it's going to be showing all the interface. That is how app. Can you even try to do something like this last year or last 2 years by yourself? What I'm about to show you, what you're about to see 3 years ago, you can't even try it with 10 teams to get it done in 1 month. 15 people cannot get this done in 1 month. What we're about to have in split seconds. If you're not using AI right now to do anything at all, you are going to be left behind. I'm telling you. Now, even if you are not going to create an application that you will use, now you have the ability to have your ideas out there to give the people that will go and work on it. Let's say you want to build right now because you don't know how to do so many other steps and you don't have the time to do it, you don't have the patience, you want to give somebody like me who is into it. At least you have an idea of what you want. You can crack your brain, you can use ChatGPT, use some of these tools to create something for yourself that will allow you to literally, by yourself, come up with an idea that you want and how you want to change the world. You can do this yourself now and give it to somebody and say, okay, this is what I want. This is an example of what I want to happen. And that's all. This thing begins to, before you know it, you have something that can literally change the world. Oh my goodness, who is with me? Who is with me right now? What are we talking about? What are we talking about right now? What are we talking about? Oh my God. Oh my God. No. One shot. Now this is one shot. I've not even done anything. This is literally one shot, nothing, one go, boom. Oh my God. I said we are building 10 billion naira app, a 10 billion naira app. These guys received 10 billion naira funding for their app. And literally, this is the app. I'm showing you how to build this app. All you need from here now is to fix 1 or 2 things and marketing, and you have a billion naira app, 10 billion. Who is with me here? So Replit is still working. Guys, anyone can do this. Oh, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Okay. So we are still working on the visuals. As you see, everything is coming up together. Let's see what is happening. Total balance. Basically, this is when you log into your account, you will see everything. You will see your balance. You see your monthly revenue. You see pending payment that you are yet to make, active loans, everything. Literally showing you. Then you see cash flow overview, how much you are making. This place is supposed to bring out what you are making, how much you are earning. Then what else? Transactions. This will show your transactions for you. Payment from Kunle Motors, transfer suppliers, invoice payment. You are seeing what you have paid and all the stuff there. Then you have money transfer. Now here you can literally transfer money, right? Oh my God. Recent transfers, inventories, and this thing is going to be keeping track of all the inventories for you, every single one of them. All right, guys, if you know you want this app, literally, I don't want, like, if you know you want something like this, or you want to partner with me, we can work on this, right? I'm very, very much open. Come on, guys. I might decide to just launch this app. Okay, what do we have? This is good. So we have saving group. Now here you can digitize your and manage your ajo, or right, this way you save money. And you have 3 groups, right? Saving total, you can save this amount of money. Next collection date is this. This is exactly what people are selling. There is no gatekeeping anymore. When it comes to creating an application, there is no gatekeeping. I literally one shot this thing, the first prompt. Oh man, what is happening to my browser? I need to get a new laptop because right now, oh, this is good. All right, let me keep quiet. Let me allow you to finish because I'm freaking out right now. Let me allow you to complete. Oh no, like I can't believe this. Okay, it's creating us now. So authentication is when for people to sign into the app, you have to be able to allow for people to sign in with Google or with their username and password. So right now it's creating all those components. After creating those components, what will be next? Okay, so the app is we are still building. So we just allow it some time to continue to build. At the moment, see, we have done a lot. Let me check here, see what has happened. Server, database, replicate auth, hook auth, hot utility, schema, storage, route, the app itself, the app TSX, then the CSS, the index. With here now, we are the landing pages now. This is good. Everything is going on well so far. At the moment, it's working on the component sidebar. All right, so let's allow it to do its stuff and we will check it out. So what are we looking at now? Our app, see a lot of things that have happened so far. So we have the index, we have landing, we have the pages. Under the page, we have landing page, we have layout sidebar, we have the dashboard. We worked on the dashboard. All this in C, we didn't do anything. Look at the codes. This guy just wrote all the code for us. Everything in the code. Look at the codes here. Everything here. You are not doing anything. Your own is to understand what you are looking for, right? Your own is to know that this is what I want. This is the idea I have. Try to know how to use ChatGPT to communicate your ideas. Once you are able to communicate your ideas to ChatGPT help you to bring out the idea in a proper way. Then you take this idea now, put it inside of this Replicate AI. And Replicate AI will do the magic, create the code, do everything, do the conversion. See the code here. See what people are selling. This is the leverage you have. There is no gatekeeping no more. This right here is the leverage that everybody is looking for. That is where the money is, right? So with this now, you see, look at the other part of transfer. Look at the transfer page is being created. The payment page is created. The invoice page is being created. The wallet aspect is being created. The credits, every single thing. Why we are having this type of very, very important and a full why we're having this type of detailed development is because of the planning we did in the beginning. Let me show you what I said. Planning is everything, right? When you are trying to create when you are creating an app like this, planning is everything. So see what we are doing before we go back to the app. Remember what we are doing here. We already have the features of this app and we outline the features of the app, right? We have all the features of the app. We say this is what we want. And we put the description of each feature. You must do these things if you want to get the best. You can create any type of app in this world, but you need to understand how to do all these things, right? How to do all these things. Bring all the features you want in your app. I want it to have digital wallet. You now write what is digital wallet. You have to specify what does it mean to have a digital wallet. You say, okay, digital wallet, integrate wallet for seamless transaction. Okay, the AI will understand what you mean by integrate wallet for seamless transaction, and the AI will go about doing that. Then you told him about credit access. Say, okay, loan from 5,000 to 10 million with favorable interest terms. Right? The AI will figure out the best way to do this stuff. With all this little description, that is how you create an app that can literally change your life. Like, I don't even know if this app is going to be something that I will use or not, or sell the idea, or sell it, not the idea. The idea is already out there to everybody and how to do it. But perhaps somebody else who understands how to leverage what I have right now can say, you know what, I already have the people. Okay, let me have you continue to work on this project. Let's partner. Boom. That is how people's life change, right? So you have loan disbursement and tracking. This app is, as we are speaking, this guy is creating everything for us. I can't wait to see the finish, how everything ends. Everything that I described, digital tools for managing traditional Ajo or Isusu saving group. Everything is being done as we speak, and I don't even need to be there to be coding. All I need to do is to already take my time and structure everything here. This is how to create digital products. And I told you guys, you have 3 leverage. If you want to make money on the internet, you have only 3 ways to make money, and they are all digital products, right? The first way you want to make money, where's my marker? So the first way to make money, you want to make a good amount of money, is to focus on the 3 C's. What is the first C? The first C is content, right? You need to have content. You need to have content in any form. Can be in form of marketing, can be in form of social media posts, can be in form of communication, can be in form of anything content of any type. That is the one way to make money right now in the age where we are. Then the second method to make good amount of money in this age right now, write this thing down. If you are not writing it down, you are doing it wrong. The next part is code. Oh my God, code. Content. Remember, content. Video like this, video can scale. You are creating articles, you are writing posts, you are creating images. That is content. The second one is code. You are programming, like what we are doing right now. We are programming. We are writing code that will be able to give us leverage. That even when I'm sleeping, my app can be doing the work. People can be using it. There's no time barrier. There's no time factor to it, and I'm still making my money while my app is doing what is created to do. I just need to host it out there, and you guys will be having access to, and people are transacting, having all sort of interaction with the app while I'm making commission of every transaction. That is how you make money with code. Content is the same way. As you create content out there, you are making money with the content. The content is advertising your product. People are booking for your meetings. They are buying your product. YouTube is paying you. That is it. Then the third way to make money, if you do these 3 things, these are the only 3 things I'm going to focus on right now going forward. I'm not going to focus on any other thing, right? Apart from managing my businesses and having partnership, and also helping other entrepreneurs to make money. And I'm going to be doing it in this same fashion. The last part here, which is even the most important thing that people don't pay attention to, and is the most important thing, is communication. This is the reason why AI can never ever beat some people. This ability here, ability to communicate. See, if you can communicate very well, and when I talk about communication, we're talking about in terms of sales, right? Marketing. You're communicating all these things. See, AI cannot do it nothing. If you can get these 3 things done very well, you know how to create content, you know how to code, you know how to communicate. This is your superpower right here. You are a superman. I'm telling you, with this, you are a superman. You can go anywhere. You can be anything you want to be in this era with these 3 things. Now, if you can combine them, you are making content, you are creating code, and you can communicate. Oh my God. Communication in terms of having a PDF, having a book out there, communicate in any dimension. In sales, as a public speaker, you are communicating. These 3 things are the gold mine that everybody need to get their hands on. So let's go back to our code. Let's see what is going on with the code. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. Guess what we have here? We have a complete one-shot system. Let me open it here for you, because you guys don't understand. You don't understand. Until you accept you are a programmer, you will not understand what I'm talking about. Do you know how long? Do you know how many hours it takes to create something like? Do you know how much you will spend 3 years ago to create something like this? See, this is just the landing page. Oh my God. Forget the app. The app is inside. We have not even gone into the app. We're just talking about landing page right now. Can you see how beautiful the landing page is? Complete financial platform for your business, right? Manage your business finance with our comprehensive platform, from payment and invoice to loan and saving groups. Everything you need in one place. Start your journey. Oh my God, I love this. Everything business needs. Powerful features designed for business accounts, fast transfer, customer payment, secure reliability, saving group, credit access. All the features that I listed, everything is here. Literally, we have everything here. Ready for your business kickstart. When you click get started now, see what happens. So when we click get started, what will happen is it will just take us to inside of the app itself. So let's assume we are logged in, right? Let's just log in. Let's say allow to log in. It will allow us to log into our app. Oh, this is good. Oh, all right. Our first error. So the first thing here, we have our first error. So now this thing happens, right? Anytime you are coding or anytime you are doing this thing, you have some errors. So what we do is very simple. We come right here. Oh, just when I was just enjoying myself. You see, that is life for you. So copy everything here, copy this here, and we take it to Replit, right? You will always encounter all these things. So if you are building, you will encounter these things. So remember, we still have a lot of credit. We still have like 9 credits. These are, we just use our first checkpoint, right? We use our first checkpoint. So put here, we say, please fix this error. Please check and fix this error, and every other errors we have now and in the future, or potential errors. Do a thorough evaluation and fix all error at once. Boom. So we are still on it, guys. Hold on, right? I don't want to skip anything because I want to show you guys from beginning to the end how everything happens. I wish you guys can see my face right now. From now, maybe in the next video I will be doing live, right? I will be so that you can be seeing my reaction. I'm like, I've worked on like 30 different applications for the past 2 months, right? Both private apps that I'm building for myself and for my business, and apps that I'm just building for fun, my ideas, my childhood ideas and all that, just bringing them back to life, and also some for clients, right? It has been the best period of my life, guys. To create is the only thing that is where I find God. The first time I ever touched code, I created my first website while I was in school, 2011, 2012. Man, I was like, this is how God feels. When I just wrote some code and I check and it appears, I saw the color, I saw everything, I said, man, this is the best thing that could ever happen to any human being. Ability to create. Since then, all I ever yearn for is to create, is to just create. I want to bring things to life. So after my school, I went for a mentorship program and I was mentored by the best. And I drifted into entrepreneurship because I discovered that I can control things more if I understand the market and the people and the value and the problem, instead of just being behind the system trying to solve problems from behind. So I now switched, right, to the coding part, to the marketing part, to the entrepreneurship part, to the sales part, project management part, and all those parts of IT. Now with the rise of AI, oh my God, as if they created this tool for me. Because now, instead of me just working with developers while I am managing the project, I want to be the one, I want to be in the process of creation. I want to be part of creating this whole thing. I just want to create it as well. I'm sorry guys, I've just been ranting about what I love and forgot that you guys we are here together. So the next thing here, we just give this guy the error. And if you notice the prompt, I look at my prompt, I say check and fix these errors and every other error we have now and in the future. Do a thorough evaluation and fix all error at once. This is a very strong command. And notice something, I'm using a capital letter. This thing is for emphasis. The computer, the AI understands these things. When you use capital letter, you are making emphasis. I really need him to solve this thing and to fix all errors. That is why I'm using this particular emphasis, right? So it's also important that you also do that. Now you said I can see several issues in the application. Let me fix all errors systematically. Good. Go ahead. Now you be AI now. I know me be AI. So the AI is working. I need to fix several issues application. Let me check the missing database and fix import errors throughout the code base. Let me continue fixing the remaining issues by running the database migration and sending some demo data as required. Perfect. Listen, you don't need to know what this guy is doing. Like, it's none of your business. You don't need to know. All you need to understand is that you need to know how to prompt, and you are prompting, and this thing is giving you answer. This guy, like, this is the free account. I have my own account, but this is a free account I'm using. These guys used to give 10 checkpoints before. Now they are giving 5 checkpoints. Now, wow. Okay. So you guys can do, you want to create anything, you can use it for free, but I have the paid one and in a different account. So let's go. Now we have, what do we have? Okay. It said everything has been done, successfully built and deployed a comprehensive fintech MVP for SMEs with all requested features, right? Complete authentication system with Replit Auth, PostgreSQL database with comprehensive business schema, business accounting with real-time balance tracking, money transfer, all the things that we ask, everything is here, guys, and demo data populating a realistic Nigerian business scenario. We are good. Tech startup in Nigeria software development. This application includes 3 demo business accounts. right? Tech startup, fashion house, and food co enterprise. We are good to go, guys. We are good to go, right? Each account has a realistic transaction history, invoices, active loans, and saving group participation. This interface is investor ready with professional styling and comprehensive functionality. This is what I need right now to go and pitch my application to anybody. Now let's go and check what we have. Why do we have this here? Okay. Oh my god, this thing is busting my head. Do you see what? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, okay. Let's check it. Let's use this, please. This is fantastic. So after from the landing page, you will just sign up. When you sign in, this is what you see, right? Now we are in the app. Let's see. It can toggle. Let's see what and what. So let's see what and what we need to fix in the next fixing. So the first thing here is this. We are signed in right now and we have our dashboard. Everything is right now empty. Yeah, but if you have anything happening, you will see all these things, right? Monthly revenue, pending payments, active loans. We have 0 active loans. Then we have quick action. You can send money, you can create invoice, payment link. So let's check for money transfer. I want to have money transfer. So right now we have a little bit of glitch because this thing right now is covering. So let me see. Okay, it's not covering actually. It is because of the way I go. I will know what to fix. So but again, you need to understand that this is a journey. Building an app like this is a journey that you start today, but there's no guarantee that you finish it today. Yes. So we want to send money. Who are we sending money to? We are sending money to supplier. How much are we sending? We are sending 10 million to supplier. Who is the supplier? So now we need to fix this thing, right? If I will go back now, I will ask the AI to make sure that I can toggle this in and out so that it can give me a very good user experience. Because right now I can't see what I'm typing because this thing is blocking it, right? So that is one thing to pay attention to when you want to fix. So but let me just write name. So at the moment now I can't see this side, so that is one thing to pay attention to. But let me check other things. Oh, this thing is good, this thing is good, this thing is good. Okay, we have all this, we have everything is here. Listen, withdraw, transfer money, pay bills, airtime data, everything is here, right? What do we have here? Okay, saving group. We have the saving group, all the information. Then we have analysis. Oh my goodness. Then we can choose to sign out, right? When we sign out, it will take us out. And I just want to be sure that, oh, it's working. That means, guys, we are good to go. Our alt is working, right? This is the landing page where you go. Then you want to start your journey. You click here. It will take you to where you can log in. I want to make sure that everything is working, right? Do you like to access Repeat account? Yes. So accept, verify your identity, email, blah. Boom, this is working. If it locks me in, that means it's working. Okay, good, it's working. The auth system is working, authentication is working. So nobody can just access my app without registering first. So they can register, that thing is working. People can register. And so now let's go back to Replit. We are 90% done with our MVP and we are ready to go and meet our investor to tell them that this is what we have right now and we want to get into business. We have everything ready. They can work with us. Right? If I click payment, it takes me to payment. Everything is working right now, right? Let me see. Okay. Let me just fix this thing here and let's look at the app again. Okay, but this thing is having this in here. Good. Okay. Let me see. I'm not seeing it here. Let's refresh it again. There is an option here to escape this place, but I'm not seeing it here. But inside of this demo here is showing. So let's look at it from this side then. So we want to do like this. Let's say we are seeing this. So what do we want? We want to send money. If we want to send money, look at it, right? What do? We click. We want to pay this guy here. We want to pay him 10 million naira, name, account number, bank name, access bank, description, chain, so supply payment. This is send money, and the thing we say money is transfer successful. Money has been sent successfully, and we will actually see the money. Kidding me? Is anybody kidding me right now? This app is completely working. Is anybody kidding me? Complete transaction, everything is working right now. Let's go. Let's check the next feature. Customer payments. So customer payments, what do we have here? Description. We want to create a link for somebody to pay us our money, right? So payment for sand payment. How much is the sand payment? Is this amount. Generate link. Let's see. Link has been generated successfully. Boom. You may not talk to me. Who is trying me right now? Link generated successfully. Click the link, send it to customer. Boom, customer click the link, customer will pay us our money ASAP. And once customer pay the money, we will see the money in our transaction history. Who is joking with me right here? So let's check this other feature. Meanwhile, let's look at the dashboard feature. What do we have? Now that we are having things populated, it's showing in the dashboard. Look at it. Recent, supply, everything here. If we decide to apply for loan, we will see everything. If we invoice, everything is showing like real life. You don't understand? I mean, everything is showing real life. So this is credit. For loan, if you want to apply for loan, access to loan 5 to 10 million with that. Now it's checking my credit score says that I have excellent credit score. So available loan, I can collect up to 5 million. Okay. So I want to apply for the loan. Please, I need the 5 million right now. What do I need to do? I don't have any active loan. I'll just click 5. What is 5 million? Let me go 5 million. Boom, boom, boom. Is this up to 5 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 million. Purpose. Our equipment upgrade. I need this for working capital. For business expansion, we want to expand our business. Payments, we are going to pay it in the next 24 months because we need some time. Look at the interest. Look at everything is calculated. See how much I will return. Oh my God. See how much I have estimated monthly plan. Every month I'm going to be paying 270. This thing is done everything. Like, you don't understand. This thing will take you 2 years to create if you are the only one doing it. Okay, fail to submit application. Please try again. All right, let's see. Okay, this is an internal issue. We can fix this. But I think we see that this thing is we have 90% success rate. Application failed to submit. All right, no problem. This is the first error we've had so far, right? Let me see if I switch. If I say I want 500k, if I want 500k, all I need to be paying is 27,900. Okay, I apply for loan now. Okay, this is a code issue, right? So we have some code issue here. All right, so at least now we will note down any error you have. You note the error so that you can be typing it into Replit and say, I have this particular error. The form is not submitting. That is how you create application nowadays. You just say the form is not submitting. But now let me check other this thing. I'll just be taking note of all the things, right? Application for loan form is not submitting, right? What's the next feature we want to test? We want to test customer payment, invoice and receipt. So what do we do here? Invoice and receipt. Here we can generate invoice and receipt we can generate invoice and receipt. Let's click here. Boom. Business name Hydronium solution. Customer email hydronium@gmail.com. What we want to do, description, pay for coaching, what is the due date. Let's put any date here and select. Click here. So we have another form issue. The form for this one too is having problems. So basically the issue we have been having is form. So we'll be taking it down. We say we have issue with forms. Also, form for creating invoice is not working. All right. So basically, I think I have issues with just my forms. Anything that has to do with forms. So digital wallet. What do we have here? Now digital wallet. Let's see what we have. We have 0 account balance. We want to add money to our digital wallet. Let's see if when we add money will show. So let's add some money to our digital. Add money. Click add money. We click withdraw money. We can't withdraw money because we have 0 balance. And how do we add money? Manage business funds and transaction. Okay, our adding money is not working. We are not able to add money right now. Pay bills. Quick action. Transfer money. I know that transfer money is working. We've tried this before. Look at the transaction for transfer money. So that is how you debug, right? That is the next stage. The stage that we are now is debugging stage because we already have the interface. Everything is well done. But you'll be having some little errors that you're going to be typing in. And once you type it, you send it, boom, to the AI. The AI will fix all those errors. And before you know, you have a fully functional application. So let's say access to credit. Okay, we've already done this. 5 million. We have 5 million. This thing at 2.8 reducing. So here, everything is working here, except that the form the form is the only issue right now. Then let's take this part, this Osusu part. Now, Osusu part, there are groups here. We can create group. We are not in any group right now. So if we click create group, let's see what group. We have Lagos market, 10,000. Frequent contribution, I want to do it monthly. How many members? 7. Let me see if this form is not working. So basically the issue we are having in this our app now is just form, right? We are having issues with our forms. So anything form right now is not working. So we can just tell the app that all the forms, anything submitting a form, is the only thing that is not working on the app right now, so that the app can get it done for us. So let's look at this. This is analytics. This is giving us all data. Revenue growth 0. This is 0. Average payment 12.5. Margin 0. So the more we put information, look at the expenses we've had. This thing will calculate everything for you. all the transactions we are going to be making, we have the calculation here, right? Expenses, revenue. If we receive any money, if we add money to it, we will see it there as well. So bank transfer is this, card is this is this. Then business insight, saving opportunity. Based on your cash flow pattern, consider setting up automated saving to grow your business app. Guys, now here is where I will draw the curtain on this app today. This video is becoming too long. I don't want it to be too long. So you can see, one shot, we created an MVP that will allow us to start doing magic. And this app is crazy, right? This app is crazy. Just little bugs here and there that we can easily feel. Our alt is working, all the stuffs are working. If we open it on this app, we're having a little bit of glitch. And the mobile interface is good because this is basically supposed to be a mobile app, right? So, but when we open it on the system, this is how it appears. So this is a small fix that we can literally just fix in just by clicking the button right now to fix it up for us. So tell me what you think, tell me what you're planning to build, tell me what you're planning to create. I'm all about creating digital products in the form of communication, in the form of coding, in the form of content. And that is where I think the biggest wealth creation is right now. If you want to create a digital product that your children can come and enjoy, click the link below and join my core digital product creation waiting list, where I work with people to help them create their digital product. Whether it's a course, you want to create an ebook or an application like this, I can literally help you by the hands. You can create your own application that people can use, that you can sell, that you can use in your own business, in your office, or you work with me or we partner, whatever the case, let's do it. But this is the way forward right now, using AI, using ChatGPT, with a little bit of understanding, with a little bit of faith and discipline, you will get the best of this world. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.